part of the concrete jungle where glass towers rise and roads shimmer with heat, something quietly suffers. The summer sun doesn't spare anyone, least of all the birds. But hope can begin in the smallest of actions. This spot isn't just bird bath, it's an urban oasis. Let's create one. I had these pebbles lying in my balcony garden. I found their shapes interesting. I saw something hidden in them that I wanted to bring to life. But their rough surface wouldn't let me do so. So I made them smooth by rubbing with wet chalk and then primed them. The secret creatures hiding in the pebbles slowly began to appear with each stroke of the brush. Twinkling eyes, colorful beak, soft feathers, and vivid hues were all waiting to be revealed on the tiny pebble. I always keep a bird bath on my balcony for the birds every summer. But this time, I wanted to give it a creative touch by adding something meaningful. And so, the idea was born to paint beautiful birds on the pebbles emerging from their stony slumber. Now, these pebble birds sit on the bird bath, attracting their living counterparts. They may not say thank you, but they will come back every day because you cared. In a world that's heating up, kindness becomes the coolest thing you can do. This summer, give them a chance to breathe, to drink, to live.